like to be in command? How would you like to be in command of that?
A lot of responsibility.
Yes.
Maybe you're a higher level.
I left New York and we went to Japan.
Command is they don't want you when they had it. Scrambled eggs. Peter, what line are you taking your cruise on?
That's the Caribbean Princess. It says Caribbean Princess is the name of that ship.
Look at up on the drive up there. You ever ship from up there, yeah?
Sometimes. You mean from that bridge? But sometimes they come out on the wings on the end.
Yeah.
You know, when they're docking and stuff like that.
Oh yeah.
Look at this thrusters. See the thrusters over there. See the X's? Those are thrusters for the bow, and they got them for the stern.
Oh, God. How big that is, huh?
Very impressive. Very nice. Very nice. Beautiful.
Very water. Keep 50 meters away.
Where do you see that?
Right there.
Okay.
God, this is long, huh? Can you believe working on that?
It's just a job.
Huh?
It's just a job. If you're working on it, it's just a job.
Look at the wall.
It's almost like another bridge up there. You see that? Up in the stern? It's like there's another bridge up there.
That boat that grounded over there.